Handset maker OnePlus is offering its latest smartphones in Germany quickly after signing the cross-license 5G patent agreement between Nokia and Oppo, the parent company of OnePlus. The deal was inked just 5 days ago. OnePlus Open and Foldable is currently available for purchase in Germany, while OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R are open for pre-orders, aligning with the timeline observed in other European countries. Following the key cross-license 5G patent agreement between Nokia and OnePlus, which resolved the patent infringement dispute between the two brands, Oppo and OnePlus are able to resume selling smartphones in Germany. Additionally, for pre-ordered OnePlus 12 phones with 16GB, 512GB of memory, there is a 9% discount in the region, effectively reducing the price to €999, while the 12 to 56GB continues to be at €949. Each purchase includes additional discounts such as 50-watt wireless charger available at 50% discount, priced at just €35. OnePlus Pad can be purchased for €450, which is 10% less than the regular price.